सीधे तौर पर जो बीजेपी कार्यकर्ता है वो यही कह रहे हैं कि नेशनल हेराल्ड केस में कांग्रेस और उनके जो टॉप लीडर्स हैं उन्होंने भ्रष्टाचार किया है और जिस तरह से कांग्रेस है वो विरोध प्रदर्शन कर रही है उसको लेकर ये तस्वीर इस वक्त आप चंडीगढ़ से देख रहे हैं। हेलो, these are the visuals here from Chandigarh where you can see water cannons have been used to disperse the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha workers who have been trying to get out the Chandigarh Congress office in the National Herald case. They have been protesting against the Congress. These are the visuals here from Chandigarh where hundreds of BJP Karyakarta, BJP workers were trying to march towards the Chandigarh office. They had been sloganeering and now water cannons have been used to disperse the BJP workers. The effigy of Rahul Gandhi have also been burnt and they are saying that in whole this case the corruption has been done by the Congress in the Associated Journal Limited case. The money has been given to the National Herald case in which there has been a corruption of more than 2,000 crore. Where Congress is alleging that it's a political vendetta in whole this case, but the BJP is saying that the whole case has been filed during the Congress regime in 2012. And after that the investigation is going on. Now in whole this case the ED has given notices to Rahul and Sonia Gandhi. These are the visuals here from Chandigarh where you can see that the BJP workers can be holding protest. आज यहाँ पर पानी फेंका गया, मांग क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग?
मांग कर रहे हैं इटालियन गैंग से पैसे वापस लेने हैं। जो इटली से है ना इटालियन गैंग, वहाँ के गैंग बड़े फेमस है। एक गैंग का बंदा यहाँ आ गया, उससे पैसे वापस लेने हैं।
The protest is going here in Chandigarh. Water cannons have been used to disperse the BJP workers. It was the Chandigarh BJP President Mr. Jatinder Malhotra who was leading this whole protest and saying that a lot of embezzlement and corruption has been done in this whole matter. Back to the studio.